CLIU Mask. With the rise in popularity of face masks, I think we can all agree that we've looked for a more convenient option to the traditional masks, which may be cumbersome to use when it's warm or humid outside. All of these issues are resolved by CLIU for about $33. This face mask includes a transparent filter medium, so it's easy to look out of. These masks don't fog up when you breathe, and they make it simpler to communicate with others. CLIU has a new UV-based disinfecting system available to keep you safe from disease-causing bacteria and germs. At the end of the day, you may plug it in for a charge, and while it does so, it will automatically clean itself. The idea behind this gadget is to eliminate the need for throwaway masks by providing users with protective gear that can electrically sterilize themselves. BlazePod. The BlazePod is a fascinating piece of equipment that facilitates at-home training in lieu of the hassle of going to a gym. An accompanying mobile app teaches users how to utilize the pods and perform a variety of activities. Unlike many other forms of exercise, many of these will target your complete body. Simply select a workout from the app and set up the pods in the sequence specified by the app. The next step is to begin your workout. You may exercise your whole body and sharpen your reflexes with this app. Without the burden of a costly gym membership, you are free to pick and select the exercises that benefit your body and lifestyle the most. The BlazePod set includes 6 pods, 6 straps, 6 suction cups, and a charging station, and can be purchased from the company's website for just $399. Coro Hook. For the purpose of combating COVID-19 infection, the device Coro Hook was developed. This is not a medical aid and should not be used as such, but it might help protect you from the virus by protecting your hands from coming into contact with anything electrical, including doorknobs and keypads. Wash your hands frequently and use hand sanitizer, as recommended by the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This multi-use item, just released on Kickstarter, will help you avoid contacting germ-filled surfaces while you go about your day. Antimicrobial plastic is used in its construction, making it highly resilient to a wide range of germs and viruses. The Coro Hook can hold your keys while you check your phone, turn on the lights, flush the toilet, or unlock the door. GDU O2. Companies appear out of nowhere to produce their own versions of increasingly popular remote-controlled aircraft, now that the market for them is booming. The GDU O2 is a cutting-edge drone that comes equipped with a 4K camera and a vision positioning system. Additionally, it has a 3-axis video stabilization technology that allows you to easily take footage that is incredibly crisp and steady. It can capture video from up to a kilometer distant and save the stream to many different types of media players. This drone is unlike any other since it has built-in obstacle avoidance technology, so you never have to worry about hitting anything too big. The GDU Mini app allows you to conduct a number of clever maneuvers and operations, such as controlling the drone's movement without the need of the remote control. Not everyone can afford the $499. Space 3D. In its marketing, Space 3D positions itself as the cheapest 10-inch printer available. It boasts a 140-watt LED matrix with an extremely high resolution of 2560 by 1600. Printing rates of up to 40 mm per hour are possible, making it much quicker than competing printers. This gadget's built-in LCD touchscreen makes it very intuitive to operate. With the intuitive interface and large range of supported formats, printing is a snap. This invention is an attempt to bring SLA printing's accuracy to the masses at a reasonable cost. Over the last several months, this printer has been featured on many websites and news blogs, causing quite a stir in the IT world. The starting price for one of these on Kickstarter is now about $599. Visit the project's Kickstarter website to learn about the many printer models offered. Drink Induction Chiller. Cooling using a chiller is a cutting-edge innovation that has just lately hit store shelves. It's still in the prototyping stage, and the firm needs your aid to go to the next level with their concept and product model. If you want to keep your drinks cold on a hot summer day, you may use this gadget, which relies on induction cooling. The powerful thermometric refrigerator may be used with a wide range of drink containers, and it all fits on a little coaster. Drinks may be chilled quickly and easily by just plugging in the coaster and turning on the chiller. While the firm hasn't said how long it may take to chill a drink, they have said that it is quite quiet and won't disrupt your day or movie night. iRobot Mirra 530. iRobot is undoubtedly a brand that needs no introduction. They are experts in making vacuum cleaners that can function independently of a human operator. These cleaners, if activated, will automatically create a map of the room and clean it based on that. The iRobot Mirra 530, however, is the company's first foray into new product categories. The pool bottom may be cleaned by this gadget, saving you the trouble of doing it manually or the cost of hiring a service to do it every few weeks. Put the gadget at the pool's base and the robot will conduct the cleaning for you. It will move over the pool's bottom, picking up any debris or leaves that have fallen to the ground. These washing machines are expensive and hard to find right now, but you should expect to pay about $600 for one. ROLI Lightpad Block. The ROLI Lightpad Block is an innovative musical instrument that connects to your computer through USB and lets you make music with only your fingertips. To help you understand how your motions and gestures impact the music, the pad responds to pressure and shows different light patterns. In order to get a better sense of the music at one's fingertips when making beats for remixing songs, this gadget may be utilized in conjunction with a wide variety of music composition software. You can make music by tapping, pushing, or waving on it, and it just requires a connection to your phone or computer. You can get a ROLI Lightpad block from Amazon right now for $64.99.